Hey guys, I want to do a quick video on understanding net carbs in relationship to a ketogenic diet. For those people that are new to it, let me just kind of explain what that means, net carbs, because normally we recommend 20 to 50 grams per day of carbohydrate, but it's net carbs, okay, not total carbs. Basically, it's you take the total carbs minus the fiber and equals the net carbs. That's simple. Fiber typically has really no response with insulin. So if there's, in the US and Canada, the way they calculate the total carbs is they will put in the fiber. So you have to deduct it. In other countries, in Europe and I think Australia, they separate them out. So you don't have to do this calculation. Whatever you see as a total carb is the net carb. But if you live in the US or Canada, you need to deduct the fibers to get the net carb, which makes a big difference. So let's take a look. Let's say, for example, you have 1 cup of any one of these foods, celery, for example. Let's take celery. Total carbs is 3 grams, right? Not much. Fiber is 1.6, so the net carb is 1.4 grams. So it's 1.5 grams roughly, which is so insignificant. That's never going to be an issue. Tomato, 7 grams minus 2.2 grams for the fiber equals 4.8 grams. A little bit more, but not too bad. Hummus, 35 grams of total carbohydrate per cup minus 15 grams of fiber equals 20 grams of net carb. Of course, I doubt if you're going to consume a cup of hummus, but you might. But still, you would be within the normal range if that's the only carb that you ate in a given day. An egg, 0.6 grams of total carbs, 0 fiber equals 0.6 grams of net carbs. So it's basically a half a gram. It's insignificant. Pineapple, 22 grams of total carbohydrates, 2.3 grams of fiber, not very much. So you got 19.7 grams of net carb. So always calculate in the net carb, not the total carb. Thanks for watching. Hi guys. Hey, listen, I created a pretty amazing evaluation quiz down below that actually analyzes your symptoms to find the cause, the root cause of all of your symptoms, the most likely cause. So take the quiz now and we'll send you a report.